Hello everyone. In this video we're doing an update on Letecia Stauch's court case. And in a previous video I talked about a third-party filing that was made public on September 11th, and that motion was a request for clarification of the order limiting pretrial publicity. And El Paso County Sheriff's Office noted that they had received requests from the Gazette, that's a local paper, and KRDO, citing Colorado Criminal Justice Records Act, that's CCJRA, for any El Paso County Sheriff's Office records relating to the recent custody complaints that Letecia had made. Remember, she was talking about getting hurt in transfer, having threats in her peanut butter, etc. And there hasn't been any response on that yet, so I do not know whether those records are going to be made public. It would be really cool if they were, because that would be a fun read. Anyway, next up, D18, which is the motion to appoint Dr. Jackie Grimmett to do the second competency evaluation for Letecia, and it's stated in the documents that Letecia is indigent, and so they're requesting the court to approve payment in the amount of $150 an hour for this psychologist to perform the second competency evaluation. And it is estimated that the competency evaluation is going to take 20 hours to complete, and that was approved. And Dr. Grimmett is an expert in her field. Then we get to D19, which is a brief regarding the use of video and audio recording during a competency evaluation. And it begins by stating that on June 4th, 2020, at that hearing, the prosecution requested that Ms. Stauch's competency evaluation at the Colorado Mental Health Institute at Pueblo be video recorded. The court's order for competency evaluation includes paragraph 5 that states, "The people have requested and the court orders the competency evaluation be video recorded pursuant to CRS 16-8-106 1B and 108 1A." And then it goes on to state that CRS 16-8-106 1B and 16-8-108 1A refer to insanity examinations. Article 8 of Title 16 governs insanity, and Article 8.5 of Title 16 governs competency. After the competency evaluation was completed, defense counsel discovered that the people's request and the court's order pertained to insanity or mental condition examinations and not competency examinations. There is nothing in the competency statutes that permit the audio and video recording of the competency evaluation. And then it goes on to cite precedents, and they close by requesting that, or stating that they object to the use of any video and audio recording of Ms. Stauch's competency evaluations in the instant case because it is not permitted by statute. And defense counsel requests that any video and audio recordings of the competency evaluations that were distributed to the parties in the case be returned to the court and deemed inadmissible in this case. So that was an interesting turn of events. I'm looking forward to seeing Crime Talk and finding out what it means, because I'm just assuming it means that the evaluations are not going to be recorded, and that maybe they're only going to go with the second evaluation since it hasn't been recorded yet. But I really don't know. I'm not a lawyer. Thank you for watching Another Day in the Car with JuleZ. I look forward to reading your comments. See you in the next video. Forensic